Hello, this is Joan of Art. Let us talk about the word bagyo, which means typhoon in Ilonggo. So bagyo is not just rain, ulan, but it's more about wind or hangin. So it's the strength of the wind or ang kakusugun sang hangin. So it's the strength of the wind or wind velocity that's blowing. So as you can see, my curtain here or cortina is being blown by the wind. We are currently experiencing Typhoon Mangkut, which is going through the Philippine area of responsibility. I would like to take this opportunity to document what's going on here and also to say a little prayer to all my countrymates to be safe during this time of typhoon. And the wind is howling outside, gangurob, sagwa. And the curtain is fluttering or nagapalid-palid. So I wish everyone to be safe. Kabay pa nga ang tanan ara lang sa maayo nga kahamtangan. Literally, it means that I wish that everyone is in a good place or a good situation or a good spot. In short, I wish everyone to be safe. I also pray that the typhoon will disperse and that there will be not so much damage. This typhoon is said to be one of the strongest typhoons of this year. So I suppose that when this is over, the strongest typhoon has already passed. So I wish everyone safety. The local name for Typhoon Mangkut is Ompong. Ompong is a nickname for those boys or men named Rodolfo. So from Rodolfo, it became Dolfo and Ompong for short. In the old days, typhoons were named after women and always ending in NG, which is usually a Filipino nickname. So just like Ompong, it's also a nickname ending with NG. But because of gender sensitivity, typhoons are also now named after men. This is Joan of Art, and see you in our next video. Bye-bye for now.